Good morning. Hello. How are you all children? Hope you are enjoying at home, studying and stay safe, stay at home. Okay. So we continue chapter 2 EVS part 4. As you all know, we have studied in previous class the story of Rupal, right? She was willing to go to school but she could not go. The reason was she was having polio. She needs some support. She was using crutches. This is called as crutches. She was using this. So Rupal was disabled. She was not able to walk on her own. She cannot walk because she suffered from polio. But she is fond of studies and like to go to school like all other children in her locality. She feels very sad when if she was looking at all the children, they are going to school, but she can't go. She feels sad. Now, based on this story, there are few questions we are going to discuss now. Look at here. First question. Now, few questions you have to think about on your own and write. But let me explain you how you can write. See the first question. How do you go to school? Now here, you just write down how you go to school. You go to school by hired vehicles like van, rickshaw, write that. If you are coming to school with your parents, write that. Or if you are going by bus, school bus or any bus, you can write here. So your answer may vary from in all individuals. So write that accordingly, okay? Next question. How among you does not go to school? Why? Sorry. Who among you does not go to school? Why? But mostly all of you are going to school. But you must have seen in your surrounding locality a few children, like they are living in a slum area and their parents are poor, so they cannot afford fees, so they don't go to school. So you can write about that if you have come across any children, those who are not going to school, right? This answer also may vary, but most of you all are coming to school, so not necessary you answer this question. But if you find any student or any children who are not able to come to school, the reason why they are not coming, you can write here. Next question on page number 16. Third question. Why do you like going to school? Why do you like? आपको क्यों स्कूल आना पसंद है? Why do you like going to school? क्यों आते हो आप? So you can write here that you like to study. You are fond of studying. So you write that I like to study in school. Also you can write that you like to play with your friends in school. So you write that also. You learn many things from the school. Teacher teach you very well. So you write like that to study. Then you participate in different co-curricular activities in school. So these are the different reasons why you like to going to school. You write here. Okay. Fourth, what do you like in the school? School में क्या पसंद है? So this answer also may vary from child to child, right? So here I'll just give you example. You can write that also, or whatever you feel that why you like going to school, you can write that. Okay. So like you can write I like teachers telling stories. I like meeting my friends at school. I like to celebrate different national festivals and many other festivals in school. Different educational activities are also held in school, so you like to participate in that. That's why you like going to school. So I've just given few examples, but you can write on your own language why you like going to school. So fifth question now. What do you do if you cannot come to school? अगर आप स्कूल नहीं जाते हो तो आप क्या करते हो? So you can write that I take help of my parents for studying. Or you just call, you can also write that I call my friends, whatever have been done in class, and you write down that so you can practice at home. And also you can say that I miss my class if I don't go to school. So this you can write in this fifth question. Look at now page number 17. Think and say sixth question. Do you help anybody? How? So here also your answer may vary. हर एक का अलग अलग आंसर हो सकता है. सो डू यू हेल्प एनीबडी? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, yes, you can say that yes, I help my servants or maid's child if he is having any difficulty in any subjects. You help them. Or you can say that your younger sister or brother, if they are having any difficulty in their studies, you help them. So you write that answer here. Next is 7th question. Does anyone come to school with your help? यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है कि यहाँ पे भी क्वेश्चंस वेरी होगा आपका आंसर्स. सो हियर यू कैन राइट यस, व्हेन यू कम टू स्कूल you are must be helping your younger brother, sister or other small children who are in lower classes. If you are studying in 4th or 5th classes and your friends who are younger than you, so you are helping them to come to school. You guide them, you escort them, so you help them for getting them in the school. So you can write here how you help others. Here 8th question. Who can come to school with your help only? Who can come to school with your help only? आपकी मदद से वो आ सकते हैं तो कौन है? So for example, like Rupal was disabled. She was not able to walk on her own. She was using crutches. So one of the boy from her neighbor, he was helping her to come in school. So like you can say that I help the disabled child or any physically challenged child to come to school, and also small children, you are helping the small children to come to school. You can guide them the way how to go to or how to reach the school. You can write that. Next question. How do you help those children who have a fear of come to school? आप ऐसे कैसे स्टूडेंट्स को कैसे ऐसे हेल्प किया है आपने कभी? Who have fear to come to school, जिसको स्कूल आना डर लगता है. So you can write here that I can help those children by escorting them to school. Like in previous questions also we have done. You assist them to come to school. You अगर कोई बच्चे को स्कूल आना पसंद नहीं है, if many of are there who don't like to come to school, they are having fear of studying, they don't like to come to school, they are missing their parents, mostly small children. So you can write that I'll be friendly with them. I'll just tell them what are the different activities we are enjoying in school. You can just say them, explain them that we are having very much fun in the school. We enjoy the school. We are having this activity. We are celebrating this festival. So you can tell them so that fear will go away, and you can help those kind of students in this way. Okay. So by saying the good things about the school, you can overcome their fear. So they also will enjoy in the school, and they also like to come to school. Next question. Same page. Next question. Think and say 10th number. By whose help could Rupal reach to school? So already we have done in story that the neighboring boy helped Rupal to come to school. He was escorting Rupal to go to school. 11. What did Rupal see while coming to school? See, like you are also coming school, right? So what do you see around when you come to school? If you are coming by bus, with your parents, by rickshaw or by van, you must have observed the different vehicles around you, houses, roads, then the field, open playground, and many other children who are coming to school. You must have observed all this. So you can write that here in answer. Okay, now we'll move on. Next question. Page number 18. Think and say 12th number. Who all might have helped Rupal? किसने help किया रहेगा Rupal को? Just remember the stories what we have done. So आपने देखा रहेगा कि the boy who is staying nearby Rupal's house, he was helping her. So you can write that the other students who are living nearby her locality must have helped the Rupal. 13 number. In which work of this school does Rupal need help? In which works? Now you are also coming to school, right? You are coming to school. So what you are doing in school, you know that. So Rupal also need to do that. So other children are the classmates of Rupal, they are helping Rupal to for studies, if she wants to go to washroom, toilet, if she has to go to toilet, then other children in her class helping her. If she has any difficulty in getting up and answering, then the neighboring the other children who are sitting beside Rupal, they are helping her. So many ways you can help the children. And here in this question, how you Rupal need the help in the school works, you can write there here. Okay. Or if sometimes you are having some programs in your assembly hall, so you can help Rupal to reach their assembly hall, right? You can write here in the 13th question answer. 14th question, whom do you come to school with? आप स्कूल कैसे आते हो? So you can write that you come to school with your neighboring children, with your friends. You can write your answer. Okay. So far we have finished the questions related to the Rupal. She was disabled, she was not able to go to school, she fond of going to school but could not go because of her polio disease. और आपको पता है पोलियो डिजीज क्या होता है? पोलियो डिजीज में आपके जो मसल्स की मूवमेंट होती है वो टोटली बंद हो जाती है, वो ब्रेन को भी इफेक्ट होता है, सो टोटली वो मूवमेंट बंद हो जाती है एंड हर लेग्स वाज हैविंग पोलियो, तो वो उसकी वजह से वो चल फिर नहीं सकती है. और आपने देखा रहेगा रविवार को पोलियो की बूंद देते हैं, 5 इयर्स के बच्चे या छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनको वो पोलियो के ड्रॉप्स देते हैं. तो आपने तो सबने लिए ही है, आपने ऐड भी देखा रहेगा अमिताभ बच्चन का, उसमें बोलते हैं कि पोलियो की 2 बूंद और आपके बच्चे हेल्दी थ्रू आउट. और WHO ने भी ये पोलियो डिजीज को इरेडिकेट करने के लिए, ख़त्म करने के लिए बहुत सारे इनिशिएटिव्स लिए हैं बहुत सारी कंट्रीज में, एंड स्पेशली इंडिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो पोलियो की वजह से उनकी बॉडी के पार्ट्स काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो आप सबने तो लिए है ना पोलियो के ड्रॉप्स? जस्ट आस्क योर पेरेंट्स. ओके, नाउ विल मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट स्टोरी. ओके, थैंक यू. विल कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट क्लास इन नेक्स्ट पीरियड. थैंक यू.